Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. Today I will show you how to update your DNB Mobile Banking app. Keeping your app updated ensures you have the latest features and security improvements. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Now tap on the search icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the search bar at the top, type DNB Mobile Bank. Hit search. Look at the official application and tap on it. So if you see an update button instead of open, then just tap on it. But if it just says open, that means you are already using the latest version. Easy. If you want your DNB application to always stay updated without you thinking about it, turn on auto updates in your device settings. And that's it. Quick and easy. Now your DNB app is fresh and ready to go. If this video helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.